Welcome to Block 7. Today we will explore a unique residence that embodies spatial flexibility with an innovative structure. This is Check-Patterned House, a reinforced concrete home designed by IGArchitects in Saitama, Japan. Covering an area of 71 square meters, this house was built in 2023 for a small family of 3. More than just a residence, it is a space that adapts to the needs of its owners, including their store. The house's most distinctive feature lies in its 2 large concrete wall pillars, placed diagonally at its corners. At first glance, these pillars appear disproportionate to the scale of the building, but they play a crucial role in both structure and spatial organization. These pillars serve as the structural core, supporting the entire house while concealing private areas that do not require large openings, such as the entrance, bathroom, toilet, storage, and utility spaces. This design not only ensures maximum privacy, but also creates a clean and minimalist exterior appearance. Interestingly, the floors and roof outside these pillars are not supported by additional foundations or columns, but instead are cantilevered from the 2 main pillars. This concept resembles the relationship between a tree trunk and its branches, where the main structure acts as the trunk supporting the floors and roof, which extend outward like leaves. This approach makes the interior feel lighter, more open and flexible, allowing the homeowners to rearrange the layout according to their changing lifestyles in the future. From a circulation perspective, the interior is designed with a linear movement pattern that gradually leads to more private areas as one moves further inside. Each space within this house maintains a unique connection, enabling residents to move freely from one area to another, much like birds hopping between branches. The placement of the 2 concrete pillars in a checkered pattern, along with the vertically displaced floors, creates a dynamic spatial experience, making the house feel larger than its actual size. This effect is further enhanced by the use of opaque glass on the exterior walls, allowing natural light to enter without compromising privacy. As a result, each room extends beyond its designated function, interacting with the surrounding spaces to create a deeper and more expansive atmosphere. Additionally, the transparency of the material contributes to a visually brighter interior that harmonizes with the surrounding environment, striking a balance between the warmth of the indoor space and the external elements. Visually, while the building maintains a simple cubic form, its interior design offers a rich complexity filled with depth and interconnected spaces. Check-Patterned House exemplifies how architectural design can maximize spatial flexibility within a limited footprint, harmonizing structure, function, and the user experience. Every element in this house is designed to facilitate a dynamic interaction between the occupants and the space, ensuring that the home evolves with the changing needs and lifestyles of its residents. With this innovative approach, the house is not merely a place to live, but a spatial exploration that continuously adapts to its inhabitants' needs. This smart and responsive design demonstrates that architecture can provide solutions that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also functional, inspiring many who seek a reference for a future home that is flexible, efficient, and full of character.